Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Imagine this. Just 1 teaspoon of olive oil before bed could completely transform your health. Yes, you heard that right. Studies show that olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, does wonders for your body, especially when taken at bedtime. From boosting heart health to aiding weight loss, improving digestion, and even enhancing brain function, the list is endless. And guess what? I've got a bonus tip for you at the end that will supercharge these benefits even more. You definitely don't want to miss this. Let's start. Number 1, olive oil and heart health, your nightly shield. Let's start with one of the most powerful benefits, heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raises good cholesterol, HDL. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming olive oil regularly reduces the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. When you take it before bed, these healthy fats work overnight to clear your arteries and prevent plaque buildup. Number 2, weight loss benefits. Burn fat while you sleep. Did you know that olive oil can also help you lose weight? That's right. Olive oil contains a compound called oleuropein, which has been found to boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently, even while you sleep. Research from the Journal of Obesity highlights how a small daily dose of olive oil, especially at bedtime, stimulates fat-burning hormones and reduces cravings. Number 3, improved digestion. Soothe your stomach. Olive oil is also known for its soothing effects on your digestive system. It helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, ensuring that your body breaks down food properly. A teaspoon at night can prevent constipation and bloating by keeping things moving smoothly. Studies published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology show that olive oil acts as a natural laxative and improves bowel movement regularity. This means better digestion and less discomfort in the morning. Number 4, brain health. Boost cognitive function. Not only does olive oil benefit your body, but it also works wonders for your brain. It contains powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols, which protect brain cells from damage. According to research from the Journal of Neurochemistry, these antioxidants enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Taking olive oil before bed ensures that your brain gets a steady supply of these protective compounds while you rest, boosting memory and mental clarity over time. Number 5, better sleep quality. Olive oil has been found to improve sleep quality too. It contains a fatty acid called oleic acid, which is known to regulate the body's production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. A study from the Sleep Research Society showed that people who incorporated olive oil into their diets had better sleep patterns and experienced fewer disturbances during the night. Taking a teaspoon of olive oil at bedtime could help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep. If you struggle with insomnia or waking up frequently, this might be just what you need. Number 6, anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen but without the side effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. According to the British Journal of Nutrition, regular consumption of olive oil helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it an ideal natural remedy. Number 7, glowing skin. Did you know that olive oil can work wonders for your skin? It's rich in vitamins E and K, which are essential for skin health. When taken at bedtime, olive oil works internally to hydrate and nourish your skin from within, leading to a clearer, more radiant complexion. The antioxidants in olive oil also protect your skin from free radicals that cause aging, leaving you with a youthful glow. Number 8. Balancing blood sugar, a natural aid for diabetics. For those with diabetes or at risk, olive oil can help regulate blood sugar levels. Its healthy fats and antioxidants improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to manage blood sugar spikes. According to the Diabetes Care Journal, adding olive oil to your daily routine, especially before bed, can lower blood glucose levels by up to 25%. Number 9. Bone health. Another remarkable benefit of olive oil is its positive impact on bone health. Olive oil is rich in calcium and vitamin D, essential for strong bones. A teaspoon at night supports bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. A study published in the Endocrine Society Journal found that regular olive oil consumption improves bone health by promoting calcium absorption. Dear friends, if you want to be more healthy and strong, you can watch Keep Your Youth Forever with these 12 collagen-rich foods in our channel, link in description, and of course in the end screen. Let's start again. Number 10. A natural detox. Cleanse your liver and body. Olive oil also supports your liver, the body's natural detoxifier. Research from the Journal of Hepatology shows that olive oil helps reduce liver fat and improves liver function. When taken before bed, olive oil activates your liver's detox processes, helping to eliminate toxins from your body as you sleep. Bonus tip: pair olive oil with lemon juice for even more benefits. Now, here's the bonus tip I promised. If you really want to maximize the benefits of olive oil, try mixing it with a little lemon juice before bed. Lemon juice amplifies olive oil's detoxifying properties, boosts vitamin C levels, and improves digestion. Together, they create a powerful duo that will take your nighttime health routine to the next level. There you have it, 10 incredible benefits of 1 teaspoon olive oil at bedtime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.